Honestly, this is just unbelievable to watch. The cameraman caught this moment as lava was pouring into the ocean, and it's honestly terrifying. I mean, just think about how hot that area must be. Like, the water is probably boiling right there. I'm really glad no one was close, because even though the lava cools and turns black as it hits the ocean, the water is still dangerously hot. It's really beautiful, but at the same time, it's a stark reminder of how something so stunning can turn into a disaster in an instant.